How to ship a car for a move. Moving to a new location involves numerous tasks, and shipping your car is one of the critical ones. Understanding the steps involved in shipping your vehicle can help ensure a smooth transition. At Route Runners Auto Transport, we specialize in providing reliable and efficient car shipping services to make your move as stress-free as possible. In this guide, we'll walk you through the process of shipping your car for a move, from preparation to delivery. Steps to ship a car a quality. 4 a alapigerd estau ing bis a torin tamang spis coprived. Here are the essential steps to follow when shipping your car for a move. 1. Research and choose a reputable auto transport company. The first step in shipping your car is to select a reputable auto transport company. Look for companies with positive reviews, transparent pricing, and a proven track record of reliable service. How to choose. Check reviews, read customer reviews on platforms like Google, Yelp, and the Better Business Bureau, BBB. Verify credentials. Ensure the company is registered with the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, FMCSA, and has a valid motor carrier MC number. Ask for quotes. Obtain quotes from multiple companies to compare pricing and services. Route Runners Auto Transport is a trusted provider with extensive experience in car shipping, offering competitive rates and exceptional service. 2. Get an accurate quote. Contact the chosen auto transport company to request a quote. Provide detailed information about your vehicle and transport requirements. Information to provide: make and model of the vehicle, year of the vehicle, pickup and delivery locations, preferred transport dates, any special requirements, e.g., non-operational vehicle, enclosed transport. Route Runners Auto Transport offers free, no-obligation quotes with transparent pricing, ensuring you know exactly what to expect. 3. Choose the right transport method. Decide whether you want open or enclosed transport for your vehicle. Each method has its benefits and considerations. Open transport, cost-effective and widely available. Suitable for most standard vehicles. Vehicles are exposed to weather conditions and road debris. Enclosed transport provides maximum protection from elements and road debris. Ideal for luxury, classic, and high-value vehicles. More expensive than open transport. Route Runners Auto Transport offers both open and enclosed transport options to meet your specific needs. 4. Schedule your transport. Once you've selected a transport method, schedule your transport dates with the auto transport company. It's best to book your transport well in advance, especially during peak moving seasons. Route Runners Auto Transport provides flexible scheduling options to accommodate your timeline and ensure timely delivery. 5. Prepare your vehicle for transport. Properly preparing your vehicle for transport is crucial to ensure a smooth process. Here are some steps to follow. Clean your vehicle. Wash the exterior and clean the interior to make it easier to inspect for any existing damage. Document the condition. Take clear, high-resolution photos of the vehicle from multiple angles. Note any existing damage or issues and share this information with the transport company. Remove personal items. Remove all personal belongings from the vehicle. Most transport companies do not cover personal items left inside the car. Check for leaks. Ensure there are no fluid leaks, as these can cause issues during transport. Secure loose parts. Remove or secure any loose parts or accessories to prevent damage during transport. Route Runners Auto Transport provides guidance on how to prepare your vehicle for transport to ensure a hassle-free experience. 6. Vehicle pickup. On the scheduled pickup date, a professional driver will arrive at your specified location to load your vehicle onto the transport trailer. The driver will conduct a thorough inspection and document the vehicle's condition on the bill of lading, which you will sign. Route Runner's Auto Transport ensures that your vehicle is securely loaded and handled with care throughout the transport process. 7. Track your shipment. Many auto transport companies offer tracking services to keep you updated on the status of your shipment. Use these services to monitor the progress of your vehicle during transit. Route Runners. Auto Transport provides advanced tracking options, allowing you to stay informed about your vehicle's location and estimated delivery time. 8. Vehicle delivery. Upon arrival at the destination, the driver will unload your vehicle and conduct a final inspection. Compare the vehicle's condition to the pre-transport photos and the bill of lading to ensure there is no new damage. Route Runners. Auto Transport guarantees careful handling and timely delivery of your vehicle to your specified location. Tips for a successful car shipping experience. Here are some additional tips to ensure a successful car shipping experience. 1. Book in advance. Booking your transport service well in advance can help you secure better rates and availability, especially during peak moving seasons. 2. Be flexible with dates. Flexibility with your pickup and delivery dates can help you find more cost-effective options and ensure a smoother transport process. 3. Communicate clearly. Maintain clear communication with the transport company, providing detailed instructions on handling the vehicle and any special considerations. 4. Understand the insurance coverage. Verify the insurance coverage provided by the transport company and understand the terms. Ensure that your vehicle is adequately covered during transit. Route Runners. Auto Transport offers comprehensive insurance coverage for all vehicles transported, giving you peace of mind. 5. Plan for delivery. Ensure someone is available to receive the vehicle at the delivery location. If you cannot be present, arrange for a trusted representative to handle the delivery. Why choose Route Runners Auto Transport? When it comes to transporting your vehicle for a move, choosing a reputable and experienced company is crucial. Here's why you should choose Route Runners Auto Transport. 1. Expertise and experience. With years of experience in the industry, we have the knowledge and expertise to handle all aspects of auto transport safely and efficiently. 2. Comprehensive services. We offer a range of services, including open and enclosed transport, expedited shipping, and door-to-door service to meet all your needs. 3. Transparent pricing. Our transparent pricing ensures no hidden fees or surprises, allowing you to budget effectively. 4. Customer satisfaction. Customer satisfaction is our top priority. Our dedicated customer support team is available to assist you at every step of the process. 5. Safety and security. We prioritize the safety and security of your vehicle, providing peace of mind during the transport process. Conclusion. Shipping your car for a move can be a smooth and stress-free process with the right preparation and a reliable auto transport company. By researching and choosing a reputable company, preparing your vehicle properly, and maintaining clear communication, you can ensure a successful transport experience. At Route Runners Auto Transport, we are committed to providing exceptional service and ensuring the safe and efficient transport of your vehicle. Contact us today at 888-424-4420 or visit our website for a free quote. Trust Route Runners Auto Transport to deliver your vehicle safely and efficiently and experience the peace of mind that comes with working with the best in the industry.